Today we are going to show you the best DJI drone you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best DJI drones for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering DJI drones, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a compact and lightweight drone that has the same battery capacity and size as its predecessor. Its body is made of hard plastic, which provides a strong outer shell to protect its valuable components from occasional bumps. Moreover, the drone's lightweight makes it easy to transport and operate. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts impressive flying capabilities that are comparable to its more expensive sibling, the Mini 2. It has level 5 wind resistance, which means it can withstand wind speeds of up to 10.7 meters per second or 38 kilometers per hour. The drone's gimbal performance is also excellent and ensures that it remains stable in the air, no matter what. This drone offers 3 flying modes: normal, sport, and cine, which cater to different flying styles. Sport mode allows the drone to reach maximum ascend, descend, and flight speeds. Cine mode, on the other hand, limits the flight speed to capture more stable video footage. For beginners, it is recommended to use Cine mode initially until they become accustomed to controlling the DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE has various return-to-home (RTH) modes that ensure the drone returns to its takeoff point safely. Smart RTH uses GPS to find its way back to the controller, while low battery RTH is activated when the battery is running low. Additionally, there is a fail-safe RTH option that retraces the drone's flight path if it loses connection to the controller. The Mini 2 SE uses the same 12MP 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor as the Mini 2, which can record videos in 4K resolution. However, the Mini 2 SE can only record 2.7K footage up to 30 frames per second. Unfortunately, the DJI Mini 2 SE does not have a true vertical shooting option. Number 4. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact drone that is easy to transport and store. Its design is similar to the Mini 3 Pro, but it lacks collision avoidance sensors. When folded, it measures 148 by 90 by 62 mm, and when unfolded, it measures 251 by 362 by 72 mm. The drone is lightweight, weighing only 248 g, including the battery and micro SD card. It has a longer flight time than the Mini 3 Pro, with a maximum advertised flight time of 38 minutes, but the actual flight time is around 25 minutes due to environmental factors and the default charge level of 25% when return to home is initiated. The Mini 3 has 2 controller options available: the standard DJI RC N1 and the DJI RC Smart Controller, which features a 5.5-inch touchscreen with high brightness. The DJI RC Smart Controller is faster to set up and more convenient, with a clearer screen in sunlight. The drone is easy to set up and use, with controls providing a generally positive flight experience with no perceivable lag between input and execution. The camera is a main point of interest for most people, and it can be rotated 90 degrees between landscape and portrait format. The camera houses a 12MP 1/1.3-inch sensor with a focus range between 1m and infinity and provides a 24mm equivalent focal length alongside a fixed f/1.7 aperture. Shooting modes include single shot, timed, auto exposure bracketing, panorama sphere, 180 degrees, wide angle, and HDR. Photos can be captured in JPEG and RAW, with the former providing decent results straight out of the camera, and the latter providing more editing control. Video can be shot in 4K at up to 30 frames per second, 2.7K at up to 60 frames per second, and FHD at up to 60 frames per second, with HDR video captured when shooting at 24/25/30 fps. The drone has 3 main flight modes available: Cine, Normal, and Sport, with Sport being the fastest of the 3 with a top speed of 35.8 miles per hour, wind resistance up to level 5, up to 24 miles per hour, is as advertised, and the Mini 3 can fly in these conditions with the flight mode set to Sport. However, it's not as powerful as the Mavic 3 and can drift against stronger winds. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The Air 3 has a dual primary camera system, which is a new feature in the Air series. It includes a 1/1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1/1.3-inch CMOS 3x medium telecamera in a compact body. Both cameras have the same sensor size but different focal lengths, providing consistent image quality and more dynamic imaging possibilities. The wide-angle camera captures sweeping landscapes, while the 3x medium telecamera achieves lossless 3x optical zoom for spatial compression. You can use the wide-angle camera to capture more of a landscape and the 3x medium telecamera to frame any subject as a bold focal point. Both cameras can deliver 48MP photos with true-to-life details that look great and allow seamless cropping in posts. The two 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensors of Air 3 support dual native ISO for direct output of 4K/60fps HDR video without cropping. Both cameras also support 10-bit D-Log-M and 10-bit HLG color modes. The 10-bit D-Log-M mode helps retain more highlight and shadow details for increased flexibility when editing, while the 10-bit HLG mode presents a higher dynamic range, achieving excellent imaging results without color grading. Air 3 offers up to 46 minutes of flight time, which is an increase of 48% compared to the previous generation. This provides plenty of time to explore, adjust compositions, and get the shots you want, all during a single flight. The new battery charging hub supports an innovative power transfer function. Simply press and hold the function button to transfer the remaining power from multiple batteries to the battery with the highest remaining power, giving you a more fully charged battery in situations where charging options are limited. Air 3 also has quick shots that allow for creative camera movement options such as rocket, droney, circle, helix, boomerang, and asteroid. Number 2. The Mavic 3 Pro is a drone with a larger camera and gimbal than the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Classic models, as it houses 3 cameras. The drone has an excellent build quality and a folding design that makes it slightly larger than other Mavic 3 models. However, the weight of the drone is the most significant difference, being less than 2.4 ounces/70 g heavier than previous models. With the additional weight, advertised flight times have been reduced from 46 to 43 minutes, but this is negligible when tested. The Mavic 3 Pro flies extremely well, and there are 3 available flight modes: Sport Mode, Normal Mode, and Cine Mode. Wind speed resistance is just under 27 miles per hour, which is higher than sub-250 G models with lower wind resistance. The Mavic 3 Pro is suitable for beginners as it's easy to fly and offers excellent safety features such as advanced return to home and AirSense ADS-B receivers. The drone uses the DJI 03 Plus transmission system that can transmit a 1080p/60fps live camera feed at a distance of up to 9.3 miles/15 kilometers in the US and up to 5 miles/8 kilometers in other regions. The image quality of the main 24mm for thirds Hasselblad camera is the best for both photos and videos. There's a digital zoom with each camera, but it feels superfluous with the 2 telephoto cameras. Number 1. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an upgraded version of Mini 3 Pro that comes with advanced features. The most significant feature is the omnidirectional vision sensing that delivers additional advanced features such as Active Track 360 degrees, advanced return to home, and more. The camera produces impressive image quality using a 12/48MP 1/1.3-inch sensor with image processing upgrades. The upgrades are mainly in the software and features, and it has new features like hyperlapse, master shots, quick shots, digital zoom, quick transfer, cruise control, and Lightcut app for easy video creation. It is compatible with a DJI ND filter pack and a wide-angle lens attachment to extend the field of view. The Mini 4 Pro camera upgrades appear to be software-based, improving image quality in some modes and functionality. It can shoot 4K video up to 100 frames per second and has features like night mode, which optimizes noise handling when shooting video in low light. All of the best DJI drones are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which DJI drones would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.